We the surfers, waves. Bet the best switch lanes, Lambo roll with Maybach range. Yeah, sky high fly like cranes. Go high class, don't eat low main. Fly, suicide my door.
Biggs nigga is the GOAT.
The Los guy.
Changing everything. Changing his suspension over here.
We had a little issue. When we took it out, we realized that the new ones didn't come with the ring. So we had to basically use the old ring. So we had to basically just take it off of there. The E90 is one step closer to being outside. She might make it to Bimmers vs. the World, hopefully. Let's see. All right, suspension is on. What you saying?
Yes, sir. Let's see how low
Yo,
it is.
I mean,
Yeah. That's where she needs to be at.
he could get it adjusted at the shop. The what?
The stiffers.
Nah, they in the trunk. Oh.
No. That's
Keys
the
guy.
extensions.
No,
bro.
not the extension.
Honest. Thought I lost it.
Oh,
That's bad.
oh,
Two fish and cornbread with unsweetened tea.
yo, put some sauce on that fish or something, bro.
Look how he puts the drink. Nigga's sick for real, bro. That shit look like a fucking McDonald's chicken tender. Hey, yo! He got dry ass fish with dry ass cornbread with unsweetened peach pure leaf. Upside down chicken.
Bet you that's from Ambassador's Chicken.
Come on. No. Is that the motherfucking skin?
Go, yeah.
Is that the motherfucking skin?
No, what is that?
Damn.
A few moments later.
There she goes. Yo, these guys were saying, yo, to be the richest man alive, to drink this. A shot. One shot. 5W40 liquid Molly. With some, I don't know what else is in there.
There's coolant in there, there's water in there, and there's oil in there. My health and my life ain't worth that.
Nah, yo, one shot, guys. What y'all say? Put in the comments. Would y'all drink one shot to be the richest person alive? I don't know. Keith said he would do it.
In 3, 2, 1.
Woo! Turn it off.
We tried to get him.
Bad actors. I see you.
The Keith nigga's a bad actor.
Look at these niggas, bro.
Tell you.
Damn!
I could have did that. I hit it right here.
The limp of shame. Hey, she got none of that weird noises back there no more. Oh. Damn.
It wasn't like that before.
Oh, guys, I hope y'all can hear this thing.
He about to lose the fender.
Off the shelfies.
I haven't custom tuned yet, guys. Promise y'all. Fender is hating life right now.
It's alright, man. That's static life. The sticker on that shit.
Damn, for the sticker.
Yo, Tay Wavy, am I low enough?
Yes, sir.
Static problems. We gotta remove the spacer in the
How
front.
it sound,
Let me
nigga?
see some.
Day 2. The E90, man. She's still outside. Yeah, man. So, real quick. Yesterday, we took her out. See, we got her nice and washed. I didn't really take video, but it was too dark. We took it out. She was having a, yo, what was the code? What was the code you were getting?
O2 after catalytic, but that's because I'm running an MHD2 for right now. I'm gonna get custom tools soon, guys. The limp was boost pressure overrun, but I tried to race Jay last night. Car was trying to boost the right way, but since the tune is not what it needs, they gave me that code.
Yeah. just flash it again and see if it changed anything. I'm about to take her around the block. Nothing crazy, just to make sure she's running okay. But yeah, man, she's still healthy. She turned on like nothing today. Outside. I've been telling Losa what is going on here. Were you missing bolts or something, niggas?
I gotta change the bracket on the inside.
Yeah. Two girls made it. Yes, sir. The Wolfpack Garage in the building. The Wolfpack Garage, man. Y'all see it. How was the drive, fam? I see it. Fady about to get his brakes done at the shop, man. Easy style. Alright, y'all. Exhaust is off of the F8. Get that right, my boy. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Got all 4 brakes, rotors on the F80. I see what's going on. First startup coming soon on the LS1 series, man.
Gotta give her more juice.
She need more juice.
More
Hugo.
More Tampico.
F80's almost done. Once this is done, hopefully we can get this nigga's car in here, just chop that exhaust, just like that.
Go M3 F80 exhaust.
Yeah, just weld that one on. Yeah, I think you just weld that one on.
No bumper tape.
No bumper tape. Tell you.
That bitch chopping. Told you it was the fucking battery.
Oh, the battery?
Yeah. If it's not getting over fucking 12.5, it ain't gonna start.
That's the Ray nigga saying.
That's when I turn my shit on.
This shit gonna sound crazy.
Alright, y'all, listen. The F80 has got all the works. She done got the short shifter, new brakes. We took the exhaust off. Let y'all see it. Let's see. I ain't gonna lie, she sounds throatier. That shit like a single turbo. F80 is complete. Look at this guy. Look at
not loud enough.
I see it. Another blade. Yeah, yo, running through these packs, bro. No, we're not pulling that. That has to get cut. Yeah, has to get cut.
Nigga, you gotta take these off. The rubbers. Yes. Once the rubbers are off.
All right, man. E90 has got the muffler delete. Another one. You see it back there. Muffler and resonator. I can't forget. See how she gonna sound, man. Ting sound like the killer Ting. Yeah. So we took off these 2 mufflers and got resonator. She got no exhaust sticks, but we outside. I feel the wind. Yeah.
That's how that shit need to sound. I ain't gonna lie. Congratulations. She's gonna.
Big problems.
Sound good. Yo, shout out to the team, man. It's the team right here. Shout out to the team, bro. I ain't gonna lie. And once you get out there, man, I turn that shit off. That's a real 335, man. Nah, yo, all these cars idling at the same time sounds crazy. Yo, shout out to O, man. For real, bro. This wouldn't happen without him and Lil O, bro. This thing would not be happening. All right, y'all. Let's see what the dig with the X5M is, man. Yo, we gotta do a dig, so get ready.
I'm not doing no dig.
Bro, you in the X5M?
I'm not doing no dig.
Not doing no digs, but that's what that shit do, though. All right, slow down. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh yeah, they out. Leaving that shit. On here. Oh, you got him up toppies. Yo, stop playing with me, man. Damn.
I'm Mr. Too Slippery, nigga. I'm with the fucking sharks. You with the fish.